Yo, what is up? So in this tutorial, I'm going to be doing a simple little tutorial on how to separate sounds by rooms using audio volumes. So what I mean is say you have a sound playing outside, something like an ambience playing outside, and when you go into like a building or a house or a different room, the sound outside will dampen. And it's pretty simple, but just to give you an example real quick, in this scene, I have some bird sounds playing. You can hear them chirping out here. And when you go into the house, you can hear that it dampens. And when you leave, you can hear that it, gets a bit louder again. So you could do this, with anything. So like say you have some sounds in here playing. Like I have a fridge sound over here. If I come into this room, you can still kind of hear that fridge, but it's a lot more dampened. And you come back over here, you can hear it a lot more. So, yeah, let's hop into it. Alright, so all I've done here in this scene is I've built two separate rooms. There's a little path in here. There's another room over here. And that's all I've got here. So what we're going to do to set this up is the first thing you need is a sound class. And by default, Unreal Engine does come with a master sound class. So if you come into your project settings and search for sound, you can see the default sound class is master. So if you wanted to, you can also just make a folder here called sound. And you can also make a sound class. So if you come into audio, classes, sound class, you can make one yourself. We'll just call this sc_custom master. And we can go back into project settings and make that our default sound class. So default SC custom master right here. And let's open this guy up. And cool thing with sound classes is you can, make children. So basically the way you would want to use a sound class is, you know how like you'll go into a settings menu and you can change the volume of different things like say the music or like the effect sounds and stuff like that. So that's kind of what this is used for, in a very basic sense of it. So you can make a bunch of these sound classes for each of your different types of sounds in your game, and you can add them to your master here. We'll go over that in the future. But for now, all we're going to do is work on our ambient volume. So in your sound class here, you need to tick this guy right here, apply ambient volumes. If you don't tick this guy, it won't work. So audio volumes just won't work if this isn't ticked, so you have to have this ticked. So yeah, just tick that guy. And then what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go into the starter content here and go into audio, and I'm gonna bring in the starter music. I'm gonna bring in the cue so that way it's in the world. You can place it in the world, and if we press play here, you can hear that it is on over here. And I have already applied attenuation to this. We'll go over attenuation more in like a future video, but just to give you a quick rundown of what that is. Right now, no attenuation. The sound is really loud. With attenuation, it basically is affected by its location in the world, so you can control like its fall off and how far out you'll hear it. For this example, I'm gonna have attenuation on, but it's got a pretty far fall off, so you can see we get closer to it and it gets louder. But that should be good right there. So also on this guy, the class, we're gonna set our SC custom master as the sound class, and that's all we need to do there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up here and we're just gonna search for audio volume and pull this guy in. And I'm just gonna stretch this guy to cover the room, make it fit through the whole room here. Try to see how we separate it right at the room line here. And then we're going to go over here into the settings for this, and there's going to be a this thing called Ambient Zone. And you got a bunch of different settings in here, like exterior volume, exterior time, exterior LPF, exterior LPF time, interior volume, interior time, interior LPF time. So the main thing we're going to be working with here is I'm just going to be messing with exterior volume and interior volume. So basically exterior volume, this is what is going to be controlling how much this sound is gonna either be dampened. You could also make it louder if you wanted to, but we're gonna dampen it. So right now it's at a full 1, so you know nothing is gonna be different. But if we come in and click our volume and we set the exterior volume to 0, you can't hear it at all until we leave the volume. So that is the basic rundown of it. So we set this guy to say 0.3, and now we can, we can hear it a little bit. If you go into the other room, you can hear it a lot more. Go back into the volume, it dampens. And yeah, that's the basic rundown of it. Volumes are pretty cool too. You can also control things like reverb. Got some reverb settings. We'll go over this in another video, but just to kind of give you a quick, other scenario where you can be using these. You can make reverbs and control reverb. So say you're in like a cave or something, you could throw audio volumes in there, throw some reverb on it, and all your sound in there will have reverb added to it. But yeah, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Like I said, a pretty simple, quick one. Something that a lot of people may not have messed with before. So, yep, we'll call it here for this one. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you're new around here, definitely subscribe. If you have any suggestions for any other tutorials you would like to see, let me know those down in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.